Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. You are not gonna believe how much I paid for this. This is a fake, what I would call a decoy security camera. And you're not gonna believe how much I paid for it, $1. I literally paid $1 for this. And I got it from the dollar store. So let's see what's inside. I'm holding in my hand the two AA batteries because it does say AA batteries there. So if you're wondering why I'm holding something in my hand, that's it. So this is what you get right here. So let's put the batteries in. And let's put the cover back on. And there you have it. So the next thing I want to do is go outside and install it. So we're going to do that. Okay, so before I head outside, I'm going to be installing this with these right here. This is damage-free hanging by command or by 3M. I don't know which one. But anyway, let's open it up. This is fairly simple. You glue it on there. And that's it. Okay, so here we are outside. Here's the ceiling. So we're going to clean that area. I had it in my pocket. We pull the sticker. And if you want, you can aim it so where people can see the LED. So that's how you want to aim it. Aim it that way, but it's up to you how you want to aim this. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here. And then you press hard. And that's it. Okay, so let's look. Okay, I know you can't see it. It won't focus. So overall, I did find that the installation was fairly easy if you use those tapes, any kind of double-sided tape. But you have to be cautious how you do this. And the reason why you have to use a Velcro tape and not really a super glue or something like that that's permanent is because you have to keep pull this down to replace the batteries. So that's the catch right there. So overall, at that price, absolutely, I do recommend it 100%. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.